Hey guys, this is Coin Sniper Chris. I'm here to make another video, show you what I got from a couple auctions. So I'm going to start off with Oregon Stacker. Got his sticker right here. Oh, I got another sticker. So another sticker to add to the stack. These are so tiny. They're tiny. I gotta open them up. Be careful I don't break anything. Oh. These are so tiny they may not even show up on the screen. These are 1 gram pant bars. They're so tiny. So I won one of these in an auction and I forget. Oh, it's because he had others available with serial numbers matching up. Come on. So I think I got like 665 and like 666, I believe. It's funny because when I do auctions, a lot of times I open this stuff up so much later, I forget what I got. So sometimes it's not a bad thing because then it's kind of a surprise when you get it in the mail and you're like, hmm. Ugh, I got sausage fingers. Trying to open up little things. It's not easy. All right, there we go. Just want to see if I was right. My brain is not what it used to be. Yep, this is awesome. So it's 6665 and 6666. Let me see if I can get it to show up. There it is. Come on. I gotta hold it still with 2 hands. Come on. I think I'm holding it too close. Come on, focus. You focus on the last one. Well, you can see the sixes. So I got those. I'm gonna put them somewhere. So hopefully I don't. Okay, I'll put them over there. So that is from Oregon Stacker. These are from CanCan. See if I can. I think these are. I believe these are either standing Liberty quarters or walking Liberties. I can't remember. And that's why we open. Oh yeah, yeah. You know what's funny is I keep thinking like I should write scripts before I do these. I'm sure a lot of people do, and they probably do like a ton of videos before they release one. But I'd probably be terrible at that, even worse. Ah, so it is $1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 standing Liberty quarters. So 25, 57, $1.50 face. I don't really have that many standing Liberties. I have like a ton of walking Liberties, mostly that I found in half-dollar boxes. But I don't have many of these. So been slowly picking up dimes standing liberties, etc. So I got those. I'm going to put those in a tube. Send me this too. I'm not sure what this is. Maybe it's a sticker. Hey, look. CanCan Collectibles. Every time I see his channel, I start thinking about Radiohead for some reason. I'm on a road. So I get that. I'll put that over there. It's a stack. Okay, let's see what else we got. And these are from Plumber. Plumber stacker. I love his stickers. And his magnet. Still working on getting a magnet from Mad Stacker. Don't worry, I'll get one soon. I'm almost afraid to open this. I don't know. This I definitely don't know what it is. Because there's two of them, and I don't want to. Oh boy, here we go. Plumber packs this stuff really well. I don't have the patience to pack it like this. Like, he really goes above. He must have a lot of patience. Like, trying to get all this apart. But that's good, though. He's a very good shipper. Oh, yeah. They are $2 dollars. That's another thing. I mean, besides the new ones that are coming out, which I don't even know if you can count them because these are originals. Those are just, but got two 1922s. Nice luster on them. Oh, this is from he did a live auction at his coin shop. That's right. So this must mean I got these two. Oh, sorry, I'm terrible trying to like focus it. I usually wait for it to get a little darker here because for some reason when it's darker outside and I turn the lights on inside, it focuses so much better. But I got these two. And that must mean this one is a Morgan because I did pick up a Morgan. I think there's buy it nows as well. He's really into Morgans. I like, I don't know. I don't know enough about Morgans to collect them because there's just so many dye varieties, all those vans, etc. that I'm not educated enough to go after them. This is an 1880S. These are also hard to like get like to show up right. I'm trying to see if I can get the estimate mark to show up. I should have probably put my contacts in because I can't see the screen that well. Let's see. It's too glary. It's because it's in the capsule. Anyway, it's an 1880S. Woohoo! So another Morgan in the collection. We'll see if the ones from the mint ever ship out. Oh. Yeah, so that's it. I'm probably going to make another video because I have something else that came in, but I can't, also can't remember what that order was. when you order stuff from like AppMex, sometimes some of the stuff will be on pre-order, so by the time it ships out, you can't remember what it was. So I'm gonna probably do a video for that separately. So I hope you like this video, and yeah, check back for another one. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a nice day. Take care.